We have challenges of land all over the country, and we're trying to align. We're trying what we want, what we must get rid of in the whole of this is impunity. We must get rid of impunity. We cannot allow impunity in Kenya. You know, we all must play by the rules. We are all equal before the law. And so the people who are willing to negotiate, they should negotiate and have a settlement. That is the best way to go about it. But the people who, using impunity, want to bring fake titles, seek entitlement to what is not theirs, that's not acceptable. So for the land that is in this institution, I am told some people have built flats around here on land that does not belong to them. So we are going to agree with them. We need the money to go and do the factory, so tutakata hapo, watulipe pesa. Market value. Sisi tutaenda, labda tuende tutengeneze factory ya kutengeneza devices ya watoto wetu. Tutaongezea ile milioni 500 nimesema tutatoa kutoka budget, si namna hiyo. So watu yako Bwana Karauri waambie, sisi hatuna problem, tutawafanyia evaluation, watuletee pesa, waendelee na maisha yao. Ama kama sivyo, mambo tu ni yale. Si hapo tulikubaliana sisi wote. Hapo tulikubaliana. So, and so it is to, so I think even on the subject that was raised by Sakaja, the county government, the national government should facilitate a process of settlement in a way that is acceptable to the owners of the land and those who are occupying. If they are willing to pay, we should go that direction so that we can create more harmony and be able to take this forward. Let me also